Hello everybody and welcome to the second practice video for simplifying algebraic expressions. So question 1 has two sets of brackets with a constant in front of each bracket. And the first thing we're going to do is multiply this out so we get rid of the brackets. So first we times 5 by 3x and we get 15x. And then we times 5 by minus 3 and we get minus 15. Then we multiply the minus 3 by 5x and we get minus 15x. And then minus 3 times by minus 7 is equal to plus 21. So next we're going to add the terms together that have x in them, but in this one we have a plus 15x and a minus 15x. So when we add those together we get 0, so there is no component with x in the answer. Next we want to add the constants together, and we have a minus 15 and a plus 21. So we add those together and our final answer is 6. The second expression is similar, so we start again by multiplying out the first bracket. So 7 times 2x is 14x, and 7 times minus 5 is minus 35. Then multiplying out the second bracket, we have minus 5 times 5, which is minus 25, and minus 5 times minus 2x, which gives us plus 10x. Next, we want to add the similar terms together, so we add 14x and 10x, so the first term in our solution is 24x. Then we want to add the constants together, so we add minus 35 and minus 25, and we get minus 60. So our final answer is 24x minus 60. So the third question starts with an 8, which is a constant that's not multiplied by anything, so it stays the same. And then we multiply out the bracket that follows it. So we have minus 2 times by 7x, which is minus 14x, and minus 2 times by a positive 1, which gives us minus 2. And the next bracket doesn't have a constant in front of it, so it's a 1. So we have to times both terms by minus 1. So minus 1 times by 3 is a minus 3, and minus 1 times by minus 5 is a plus 5x. Next we add minus 14x and plus 5x together, so we have minus 9x, and then we add the constants together, which is 8 minus 2 minus 3, which is plus 3. So the final answer is minus 9x plus 3. So the expression in question 4 starts with 9x, and that's not multiplied by anything. So the first term we write down is 9x. Then we multiply minus 2 by 3x, which gives us minus 6x. Minus 2 times minus 4 gives us plus 8. Then the next bracket again will have a 1 in front of it because there's no constant, so it's a minus 1. So minus 1 times by 7 is minus 7, and minus 1 times by minus x is plus x. So next, if we add all the components that contain x together, we have 9x minus 6x plus x, so that's equal to 4x. And then if we add the constants together, plus 8 minus 7 is equal to plus 1. So the final answer is 4x plus 1. So in the next question, we have 4x outside the first bracket. So what do we do here? Well, we carry on the same way. We times every term inside the bracket by 4x. And I hope you remember that x times x is x squared, and x times x times x is x cubed, etc. So if we times 4x by x, we get 4x squared. And if we times 4x by minus 2, we get minus 8x. Now the next bracket has a minus 2 in front of it, but it contains 3 separate terms. So we have to multiply every term by minus 2. So minus 2 times by x squared is minus 2x squared. Minus 2 times a plus 3x is a minus 6x. And a minus 2 times by a minus 1 gives us a plus 2. Next, we want to combine similar terms, and this time we have terms with x squared in, as well as x and constants. First, we're going to add the terms that have x squared in them. So we have 4x squared and a minus 2x squared, so that gives us 2x squared. Then we add together the terms that contain x, and we have minus 8 and a minus 6, so that gives us minus 14x. And we only have one constant, which is plus 2, so that remains the same. So the final answer is 2x squared minus 14x plus 2. So I'm going to have to leave it there because of the time, but I'll continue with more examples in the next video. But for now, thanks for watching, and please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you soon.